Hello everybody, this is Erik of Productions. I am here with episode 7 of our model Erik's Planespotting series. It is a windy afternoon in Los Angeles, and today we have a windstorm, and it lasts until tomorrow. Well, from the day I'm recording, yeah. It's gonna last for about a day here. Got some planes coming from the west. I'm using the good camera this time, the one I used to railfan with, or watch for film of trains. I mean, there's some films in a very good quality. Oops. See how good that looks? You have the wind. Blur. Los Angeles in that direction. Come on. There we go. Okay. Other plane is distance over there. It is becoming nighttime now. We also have a helicopter in this direction. Well, too bad we can't avoid the blur. The LED street lamp. There's the wind. As it blows. You have the electric wires dangling up and down. A while ago we had debris in the air flying all over the place. So as you can see, the wind is starting to pick up. It picks up, then it comes down for a while. It's variable. Very variable. The strongest windstorm I've ever seen in Los Angeles was back in 2011. We had a bad one. It flew a bunch of trash, even like a bunch of trash. It was just like, man, even blew like big pieces of debris, like a big aluminum plate, something. I heard overnight around midnight. Cool, we have an ice cream truck. Well, it's not late, but you know, it looks late. It's really 6 o'clock. I guess that will be it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.